Hey guys, today we're going to be upgrading our 4-cell Maglite to LEDs. It's going to be a super fast video, so go ahead, don't blink, and stay tuned. So the kit I got is from eBay. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below. This is what it looks like here. Let's go ahead and quickly open it up. And basically it's just the bulb portion. There's a bunch of different ways you can upgrade your Maglite to LEDs, and this is the cheapest way to do it. Let's see if I can pop it out. There we go. That's what it looks like. Just looks like the normal bulb, but with an LED in there. So let's go ahead and start to disassemble the Maglite. So as you guys can see, at the end here is the old bulb. What you want to do is twist off this little collar that holds it in. And you're going to be reusing this collar, so just take that off. As you guys can see, they come off really easy. It just comes right off the top. And now we can compare our old versus the new here. Alright, so now we're going to do some quick reassembly. Drop this bulb right into here, just like that. Get that little collar, screw that on, make sure that's nice and snug. You want to put on this piece first. And you don't really have to disassemble everything. I just did it for the purpose of the video. But all you got to take off is this ring right at the top. And from there you can take off everything you need. And also I put a little bit of grease on the threads here because since this is adjustable, I want it to be really smooth and operational, super smooth. So slide this collar on top right here. This is what actually adjusts the beam right here. This angle right here is what adjusts the beam. Drop the lens in, just like that. Screw that on. Okay, now I'm going to drop in my batteries. And then go ahead and put on the end. If you guys didn't know anything about the end, there's actually a spare bulb in this sponge right here. As you guys can see, there's a spare halogen in here. So I might be ordering an extra LED if I really like these, or I might just keep this halogen as a spare. Who knows? So you just put that spring back on, just like that, and then you screw this puppy back on. Alright, see if it works. Alright, let's go outside and test it. As you guys can see, this thing is super bright. Go ahead, like the video if you liked it, comment below any questions or concerns. I answer almost every comment on my videos, so go ahead and leave one down below. And with that, I'm going to see you guys later, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.